Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one, the very beautiful bathroom. You can see the mirrors, the floor, the white color theme and all. And this one also you can see very beautiful, the silver color walls and all the beautiful walls you can see looking very beautiful. And so also you can see the white color walls, the floor and all. And the top you can see the water, also very beautiful decoration. This one also you can see the lights and all, and the floor the floor and the roof and the mirror and all, very beautiful. And this also you can see the very beautiful room decoration, the white color theme you can see it is looking very beautiful. And this one also you can see the wooden color theme. You can see the beautiful wooden theme looking very expensive, very nice decoration, the lights and all very beautiful you can see. And some also you can see the white color theme mirror and the bathroom and all, you can see very beautiful decoration you can see looking very beautiful. And this one also you can see beautiful decoration, the white color theme you can see the lights and all, and the shower and all very beautiful you can see the decoration and all. This one also you can see the roof, the floor, the mirrors and all very beautiful decoration looking very beautiful. And this one also the floor you can see the beautiful decoration and the lights and all the beautiful, it's looking very beautiful, very nice also. And this one also you can see the beautiful place down, you can see you can keep your things and all, and the sides you can see. And so also you can see the wall, the roof, the mirror and the fan, sorry, the light and all very beautiful decoration you can see looking very good. And so also you can see it looking very beautiful. You can see the mirror, the wall you can see pink color, the lights and all beautiful lights looking very beautiful. And this also you can see the lamp and the mirror and the wooden theme cupboard, you can see very beautiful cupboard looking very good also. And this one also you can see the flower type, you can see the purple color flower and all very beautiful flowers you can see looking very good, expensive also. This one also you can see very beautiful, the golden color frame mirror, you can see beautiful mirror. And this one also you can see the lamp and all, and the floor, the mirror and all very beautiful mirror you can see beautiful decoration. And this one the blue color theme you can see very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So thank you for watching and have a nice day, take care and goodbye.